Hello, and today I have one of my favourite motorhomes for you. I say one of my favourite motorhomes. In fact, if I could have any one, I think I'd have the smallest one in this series. This is the super lightweight i141C compact line from Carthago. For something like this, you're looking at €113,000. And so, what's it got? Well, I think it's a very attractive looking vehicle. Although you'll know I can't stand corners being wasted like that. But look at the amount of light inside. I do appreciate this is natural light at the moment, but I think it looks quite outstanding. It comes with storage under there, for example. There's your wardrobe, and on this side you've got a wardrobe as well. You can of course open them both from the sides. We have got, there your size of the bed, 2 meters by 190 if they're together, otherwise 85 centimeters if it's laid out as a single, as it is at the moment. And you can of course put a plate here to make it a particularly large motorhome. It has a double floor, which I think now is essential. You can see there's some of the stuff within the double floor. In this case, we've got the water tanks. I wouldn't want a vehicle without a double floor. And we have a large washroom, so you can close the washroom off using this door like that. There you have two drainage points. They've now put something on the toilet seat like that, so you can sit on that. Oh, I like that. And yeah, must be one of the nicest washrooms in the business. It's also a sensible sliding door on this side, so if you're in the shower you might fancy a few drinks, so there you go, just come to the fridge. You might find it easy to open it that way. You have got here outside, there's the 3 burners, hob, storage below it, storage there, and seating group here, storage, and there we have the a drop down bed. That's an option. You can come without a drop down bed, depends on what you want. And here we have something up here with to hide the panel from where you turn on your 12 volt and all the rest. So I know there's various ideas on this. I want a I don't, the light doesn't bother me, and it bothers everybody else. Did I show you inside here? I don't think I did actually. There you go. And I'll show you inside here as well. And there they have what Carthago calls its coffee solution. Although they have improved. Oh no, it's these capsule things, isn't it? No, I can't stand capsules. Right, oh, have a look at the drawers in here as well. Fortunately, Carthago is also now using these drawers without sides in them. A very good point is down here as well, which I shall now demonstrate. This is a particularly brilliant, and this is double floor down here. Fantastic. Got on the left, you can see with that black thing with the blue thing, that's the blue buttons, that's it, your Truma frost guards if you need to dump your water. That's one of the ways you do it. In fact, you have to do several things. You have to release some taps as well. Oh, and also we've got this here, shoe drawer. Ooh. Very convenient. And there's the chair you sit on to take your shoes off. It's on a Fiat Ducato, and I'll sit down here in my favourite chair and admire the vehicle. Here, I'll just read this to you. You can look at the vehicle though. So it's 665 centimeters long, 212 in width, and I think that's what's really clever. 292 in height, and you can put it on 3.5 ton basis of 4,250, and it weighs in its current state about 3,000, just under 3,100. Depends ready to go between 2,800 and 3,100. So ready to go, note. Now there is the compact line i138 LE, which has got a widthwise bed at the back. I haven't seen one of them for ages, and I mean here I'm talking, I don't mean on the streets, but even in shows, or even their showroom for that matter. I'll show you this here. I can't. Why's that not working? Well, I'd show you this if it were working. But it isn't, so I won't. Let's have a look on the back. In the door, we've got this very clever fly net. Comes out like that, but everybody's got those these days. Now the door here, you not only have got a window so you can see what's going on outside, you can close the window as well. There you go. You don't have to have. And it's got a bit of these things here to store things at the same time, and it's got a place to hang your coat up. So that is a very functional door. It's got 2 locking points as well, and that's how we open it. Right, let's come to the back. That's for the fridge. So it's a 3-way fridge, and there's your boiler, exhaust, and it comes with this enormous garage at the back. It'll carry 380 kilos of weight, and in here we've got some of our electrical stuff, the inverters in there, the chargers in there. So what else is in there? We've got the problem with having a fuse though outside. I don't like it. I mean, my fuse went during the night last night, and it was a good job it was indoors. Here, I'll just show you around 1 or 2 things as well, because we're at the Carthago stand, so there's 1 or 2 nice vehicles here. So this is CMT Trade Fair, and what it does, you can get a wonderful choice of motorhomes, camper vans, and so this is just before. You can hear the speeches going on in the background. That's because people are getting fired up for making sales today, and I'm going to try and cover as many of these as I can. I started off that. Incidentally, the one we just saw is the cheapest vehicle there is. There you go. This is Carthago only, but you've got these other companies as well here. Oh, I like speaking with my hands. Okay, right. So there you go. This is it. Carthago, cheapest Carthago motorhome, which is here. The i138 is the cheapest, but this is the cheapest ones here. Thanks very much for watching. All the best from me, and bye for now.